it's been a minute since I made my last video, but this is my last run. I've taken off the 29 tooth pinion, and I've installed a Traxxas X01 34 tooth pinion. I had used two of these pinions before, and both of them had like missing teeth, and it's like, I'm guessing some like pebble or rock or something got caught up in there, you know, like that's like a likely story. But I've been using these Techno pinions for like forever and a day, and you know what I'm saying, they're like flawless. I never had no missing teeth, nothing broke off or nothing. Like they always stay good, you know. But they don't make a 34 tooth, which I wish they did, because I would surely get it. But anyways, I'm pretty much stuck using the Traxxas one. It's gonna be the third one, so hopefully third time's a charm. And if not, then I'm gonna have to go ahead and go with a 5mm raw steel spur adapter and get a 34 tooth spur and put it up on there or something, because you know, I'm tired of missing teeth. But anyways, I gotta clean this bad boy. But other than that, I figured that I go ahead and do a tire inspection, because these are the GRP S2 compounds, and I've had these, I think I bought them back in like last September of 2016, and today is June the 24th, and yeah, it's, you know, I'm wearing them down some, couple crashes here and there, and I was gonna call myself applying some more glue just in case it felt like it wanted to come off. But you can see that grip though. It's pretty grippy still, and you know, it looked like they're holding up pretty good. You could tell that I sometimes slam on the brakes and then turn the wheel. But for the most part though, they've been holding up pretty good. Yeah, this part right here, this might prove fatal one of these runs, because it's like, that's like the only part that I've seen so far that comes up like that. Might want to throw some glue on that just to, you know, be on the safe side. But yeah, pretty much that's like the only part that I've seen so far that might need some attention. Last one, let's see what it do. Yeah, they've been holding up pretty good. And I had checked the inside parts of it, but like they never really get too much wear on it, so they're pretty much good.
And the left side, you still see some of the glue rush left around, but
yeah, they're pretty good. So yeah, so I done upgraded the pinion, and I'm gonna have to do something about this motor fan, because that last crash that I crashed into the curb at was it 69 miles per hour. Yeah, this, like, my ESC ejected, and this was attached to my ESC, and pretty much, yeah, I could easily solder that back on, but I don't know, it's like the temps were still high on the motor and everything, you know, every run. And I know it's during speed runs, you know, it's gonna get hot, but I've heard those what they call wild turbo fans, they're pretty good. So I'm like, you know, I know it's been like almost like a month now. I've been saying I'm gonna go ahead and look into that. I'm gonna go ahead and look into that for real and upgrade my fan motor, and then definitely need one for this beast here because it has a built-in heat sink. If you go to the GRP website, it'll show a little diagram of the heat sink on how it how it's in the inside of this. But basically, I want something on the outside though, you know, cooling it down some because it did get pretty hot, and yeah, I want to protect my investment. So anyways, that's my update. It's basically just the Pinion and looking to some fans, and that's about it there. So thanks for watching, y'all.